Which synonym belongs to irreconcilable? The correct answer is antagonistic. Which synonym belongs to palpable? The correct answer is tangible. Which synonym belongs to discrepancy? The correct answer is inconsistency. Which synonym belongs to perdition? The correct answer is Hades. Which synonym belongs to complacent? The correct answer is smug. Which synonym belongs to deposition? The correct answer is desublimation. Which synonym belongs to disdain? The correct answer is scorn. Which synonym belongs to minute? The correct answer is section. Which synonym belongs to consequential? The correct answer is important. Which synonym belongs to quench? The correct answer is appease. Which synonym belongs to fiasco? The correct answer is debacle. Which synonym belongs to flare? The correct answer is grace. Which synonym belongs to timorous? The correct answer is shy. Which synonym belongs to oaf? The correct answer is imbecile. Which synonym belongs to rickety? The correct answer is giddy. Which synonym belongs to audacious? The correct answer is bold. Which synonym belongs to relevant? The correct answer is salient. Which synonym belongs to composure? The correct answer is equanimity. Which synonym belongs to meticulous? The correct answer is scrupulous. Which synonym belongs to pithy? The correct answer is concise.